Yeah, we're on video, so here's the deal. I'm gonna walk into the service center like this, and I'm gonna see the expression on Valerie's face. Thank you for the ride, Paige.
You are welcome.
You're an accomplice in the crime.
Okay, this is what you need to do. You need to call me right as soon as you see her expression, because I'm gonna die laughing.
Alright.
And
I'll
will you check and see if I have a bill?
Yes.
And call me.
Yes. Yes. Alright. I want to check. Alright. It's raining and snowing and cold, and it was just 75 degrees yesterday. This is some bullshit. Anyway. I love myself. I'm funny. Alright. So Valerie better be here. It's not going to be as worth it. It's probably a real close-up on my face. There is. Yeah, this is good shit. YouTube special. Hello. It's all for a reaction. I'm gonna see how Valerie reacts to the bat. The Batman. Where's Valerie?
Valerie? Oh, I wish you could scare her.
She left? She left?
Not much. Why?
I'm a failure. I was gonna see her reaction to my... Where's Robin? Is she here? She's not here either? Oh, she's on the phone.